Welcome to the second episode of the GOM Inspect training tutorial series. Chapter 2 will show you how to perform simple inspection tasks. You will learn how to import measured data and CAD data, perform an alignment, create surface comparisons, set deviation labels, document your results, and finally, save the project and export data. The first step is to create a new project. This must be done before the evaluation can take place. We can now bring in the data over File, Import File. GOM Inspect can load G3D, STL, ASCII, PSL, etc. In this case, we load a high-resolution mesh which was created with the ATO system. The second step is to load the CAD data. Supported are the native formats like IGES, STEP and STL. Yet again, we can import it over File, Import File, or we can take the Windows Explorer and use drag and drop. A preview of the CAD is immediately calculated to see whether the CAD file can be loaded. The CAD data is converted in a triangulated mesh, and therefore we have to choose the triangulation resolution in order to compare the dense scan data with the CAD. We can see now that the measured mesh is displayed in green and the imported CAD is displayed in blue. This color concept applies for any actual and nominal data. It is now necessary to align the actual data to the nominal data in order to compare them. You can use the alignment button in the main toolbar for this. GOM Inspect provides many different alignment methods, such as local best fit, RPS, and many more. The alignment aligns both datasets independent of the start position. You may choose a subsequent automatic best fit alignment over all measured points. We are now able to compare these two data meshes. As there are so many coordinates to compare, GOM Inspect can display the deviation of the two datasets via deviation plot. Yet again, we can access the appropriate function over the main toolbar. You need to set a maximum distance, which means a value of expected deviation to keep computation time low. The visualization now shows you the deviation with colors. Red for material above the CAD surfaces and blue for material below the CAD surfaces. You may adjust the legend scaling on the right side to your needs. If you click on the link button, the legend will be scaled symmetrically. Eventually, the surface comparison will appear in the Explorer with its own entry. The deviation plot shows you the difference between nominal and actual for the entire surface. It is now possible to display discrete deviations for local areas. The function for this is called deviation label. To activate the command, simply go to the main toolbar and choose deviation label. You can see now a small cross, and if you press Ctrl and move the mouse over the deviation plot, little labels with the deviation value appear. To place the deviation label, press left mouse button. To abort the function, press the right mouse button. The current inspection results can now be documented in a report page. To do so, click on the report page in the main toolbar. When you open the dialog for the first time, you are being asked to choose a report style like A4. You can now select your desired format, which is either landscape or portrait. Please press Create and Continue Work or press Create and Close. GOM Inspect immediately changes the workspace now to documentation. On the left side is the Report Explorer, which gives you an overview of all report pages. You may enter describing words for your project under Define Project keywords, which you can find in the main toolbar. Those keywords appear now in the existing report as well as in all future reports. Now it is time to save the project. which you can do under File, Save As, or you can export a shareable viewer file to your hard drive under File, Export, Viewer File. The report pages may be exported into a PDF. Just go to the button Export as PDF in the main toolbar. After you've entered the desired name, you have the choice of exporting all report pages or just selected report pages. You can also choose compression and resolution. You may also would like to change your PDF viewer after the export. Please visit gom.com for your free download of the GOM Inspect software and for more information about GOM's metrology solutions.